There's a lot behind the scene. There's a lot behind the camera. In Nigeria, you know that everybody is going through a lot. And one thing must believe that you must be persistent. You must know what you're looking for, even though things are going wrong. You must know that some days are not for us, some days are for dance. So when you are down, you must look for a means to survive. No, one thing is that everybody see every forex trader as a millionaire, but they can't know what the person is going through. It gets. They don't know what the person is going through. They don't know how the person is surviving. They don't know what the person is going through inside him. So that's why in this channel I'm keeping everything real. Like man, today this is what I've been eating. This is Century 21. Like I have finished this thing only me. So I have to just plug this thing for me to keep a record of what I'm doing. And let me just leave it here. Okay. If you watch some inspired traders, some traders that normally inspire you, believe that yes, they have gone through a lot, they have gone through processes, they have gone through dance, and that's why what it takes to be a profitable trader in the long run. I've been 4 years in this game. I believe that this year is going to be my year of breakthrough. This year is going to be a year of cash out to me. I'm not going to mention any amount I have in mind to cash out, but I believe, I have so much belief. And the thing is that pro firms right now are going through issues. If human beings can go through issues, companies can also go through issues. So this world revolve. That's why you help people when you have, and when you don't have, people will still help, but people that remembers, good people that remembers that you help them in the long run will still remember you. That's why companies are going through a lot. Profile companies, they are having issues with brokers. MetaTrader 5 are rejecting some pro firms, and they are now trying to like build their own broker, and some brokers are also rejecting some proofs. So everybody is kind of, things are turning up. You get, human being get issues, like have problems. Companies also have issues. That's why you can't judge anybody what you are really seeing in them, or when you are seeing them suffering, because that suffering might flip over and turn to be a good thing for him. So that's why I'm really encouraging everybody. If you are a forex trader and you are going through a lot, I want you to have that mindset I have, that belief that I have, that things is going to turn opposite in direction to your favor. Just believe, never give up in your struggle, never give up in whatever you are doing. Just believe. Mark today's date. I know you're watching this YouTube channel. It's kind of touching, it's kind of being inspiring. You see some forest trader eating a bread in behind in the camera. So it is what it is. Yeah, it is what it is, because you not believe that someone can do something like that. Is mad. People are showing you in the social media flexible lifestyle. Maybe back in camera, they are going through a lot. Them, I don't want to mention this. I don't want to like. I don't want to be emotional. I don't want to be emotional. Only I can say is to just struggle, hustle, work smart, guys. So you guys can subscribe to this channel. That subscriber button, my hand can read. Click that subscriber button, turn it on. So you ask, what does a subscriber button do? The subscribe button gives you notification whenever a post about binary trading or forex trading course. You will get notified